Stratocaster just came in from out of state, and the story goes that this guitar was rewired by some local guitar shop somewhere up there where this came from, and they removed the S1 switch because there was some kind of problem with the S1 switch and the super switch, and so he sent it to me to rewire. So looking at this, the first thing I notice is that there is a bulge right here at the pick guard, which tells me that the pick guard is probably resting on a wire. The wire wasn't tucked into the channel properly, so it's the pick guard was, when the pick guard was put back on, the wires weren't tucked in properly, and one of them was still over the top of the guitar. And those are usually easy to spot. When you see that, it's usually not a pick guard warp. It is in fact a wire that is caught under there. So we're going to see what's going on with it when we take it apart. I just got this in and just unboxed it. And the wiring that I am recommending, if he wants the series wiring, this is the simplest and the best I know of, the 8 Sound Strat wiring. That's what I'm going to be doing upon approval. And this shows the different switching you get with that. And there's the diagram. All that it requires is the addition of this push-pull pot for tone 2 down here. That's it. The wiring is kind of complicated and great sound. I have this in my own studio Strat. Just tremendous tones. Tremendous tones. Just requires 3 regular single coil Strat pickups. This is the bridge here in this diagram. But that's what we're going to go with if the owner approves. I'm getting ready to call him here in a minute, and we're going to see what he wants done, and then we'll pull it apart and see what's going on in there. Alright, so I removed the neck and I removed the screws from the pick guard, and now we're going to have a look under here. And yes, there's the wire right there that was trapped under the pick guard. The wire right there. Okay. I see. Looks like we have some DiMarzio pickups here. So that's what we're looking at. That doesn't look too good. Looks like a lot of piled on and sloppy soldering went on there. And that's probably what was causing the bulge right there with that wire. No doubt about it. Alright, I finished the new wiring and the new harness with the series switching. Here's my push-pull switch. New cap, 022 orange drop cap, and everything's grounded up, and the wires are now tied up so that they will lay in that trench, so I won't be wrestling with trying to tuck wires in when I install the pick guard. And I've also installed the treble bleed circuit, which is also a very helpful thing that allows you to have the same quality of tone if you have the volume on 2 or 3 that you would have on 10. So it doesn't diminish the quality as you crank the volume down. All right, let's install it in the guitar and test it out. And here's something that doesn't look too well done. I noticed that the ground wire to the jack was a little short. And I noticed that also there's a lot of sloppy like soldering on there. So we're going to put a better jack in there. We're going to go with a pure tone jack, one of these you get from StewMac, and where it's got 5 points of contact rather than just the tip and the sleeve. You've got the sleeve plus 2 for the ground and 2 for the positive on the tip. So it's a much better output jack, and we'll install that also. And there's the new jack, pure tone jack going in. All right, now to demonstrate the 8 sounds, here we have the push-pull pot pushed in, and you'll notice that the lever switch is all the way back. So this is normal 5-way switching at first. So you got 1, it's bridge, bridge and middle, middle, middle and neck, neck. So you got 5 positions there. Now go all the way back to here, and this is what you'll have with the 8 sound. Pull up, and now you've got the bridge pickup and the neck pickup in series. In the 4th position, you've got the bridge and the middle pickup in parallel with the neck pickup in series to them. In the 3rd position, you've got these 2 pickups, the middle and the neck pickup, in series to each other. And that's it. Now for a demonstration of the 8 sound series switching Stratocaster with 3 single coil pickups. This is your normal bridge pickup in middle, normal 5-way. And you got your middle position, your middle pickup only, middle and neck, neck pickup only. Go all the way to the back to the bridge pickup here, bridge pickup only, and pull up on the push-pull bottom tone, that'd be tone 2. And now you have the bridge pickup and the neck pickup in series to each other. Same position you would have in a 4-way series switch on a telly in the 4th position. Bridge and neck in series. Listen to the difference. Now we're going to go with the number 4 position, which would be the bridge and the middle in parallel with the neck pickup in series to them. All right, that's with this pulled up, and we're in the number 4 position. Okay, this is my favorite position of this series. with distortion is amazing. And in the middle position now, we have these two pickups, the middle and the neck, in series. If you want to hear the difference, I'll put the middle and the neck pickup in parallel. Now I'll put them in series. So just to let you hear the differences. 8 Sound Series Strat. Add a little distortion. And let's see what we got here. That's the bridge pickup by itself with no series. Normal bridge pickup. Now, if I go up, I'm going to have these two, the neck and the bridge pickup, in series. And it's going to be like this. And in this position, this position, the middle and the neck pickup in series and with distortion. Great pickup mod. It only requires the installation of a push-pull tone switch here for tone 2 and a rewire here at Folkestone Guitars. If you're interested, give me a call, send me an email. Thanks.